Let your body adapt, let it respond to the sounds. Cross behind. 2, 1, ace dance. In Nia, we have a bank of 52 moves that we use to create all of our classes. This is 2 of those moves. Ready? Again. 3, 2, 1, open. 3, 2, 1, ace dance. Let's make this a little more rhythmic. 3, 2, 1, cha-cha-cha. 3, 2, 1, cha-cha-cha. 3, 2. You can open the arms. Yes. My hands are in creepy crawlers, tickling the space. So it's raining today. The sunrise may not be as potent as usual, but we can sure dance with the sun. Reach, plug in. Big side body. Beautiful. Prepare to come back to the ace stance. Flow. Sense the sides of your skin. Prepare for a little agility dance. Shoulders. Shimmy. Base. Now let's put it together. 4, 3, 2, 1, base. Upper body. Yes. I invite you to release your jaw and base. Again. Again. Sense the balls of your feet. Now sense the whole foot. Sense the difference. I like whole foot better. One more. Prepare to go back to the creepy crawlers and the cross behind. You got it. Get lost in your dance now. Anything goes. Prepare to open up that rib cage and the side body. Plug up to the sun. You can add a little rhythmic dance to the wrists. Option. Last 2. Now your dance. All the joints. Moving in and out of spaces, creating bigger space for your bigger body. Because that is what we are here to do today. Fill in the space. Take up space. Take up space unapologetically.